Hi, I'm Emily Lefebvre.
And I'm David Vitanza.
And we're here at the Forager office to sample some products.
What do we have today?
We have Green Girl beauty products from Wilton, Connecticut.
Oh, nice.
So what we have here is a spread of lip balms, lip gloss, bug repellent, and massage serum.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
I could use a massage.
Me too.
Well, I'm glad that we have this bug repellent because it's getting warmer in Maine and I'm excited about it.
Yay! Summer's coming up, so I guess that's a good place to start. Let's check this out. So its active ingredients are rosemary oil, citronella, lemongrass, beeswax, coconut oil, and peppermint oil.
Nice. All natural ingredients.
Yep.
Sound good to me.
Yep. And we were reading up on this before, it's antimicrobial and inflammatory.
It's nice though, it's subtle.
Yeah, it's like something you would wear, like citronella can be really overpowering. It smells kind of like a lemon drop candy.
It does. Yeah, it has a very nice citrus smell to it on top of the citronella smell. I like that it's rub-on and not spray.
Yeah.
I don't like using aerosol products often.
Exactly.
If I were a mosquito, I wouldn't come anywhere near you right now.
Me neither. Coconut?
Yeah, let's try these lip balms.
I've got peppermint.
Something I got addicted to in the winter here in Maine is chapstick. So,
Yeah, it gets so dry here.
Yeah. I can feel my lips being nourished at the moment.
It goes on so smooth. No like chunks. You know how sometimes chapstick is like hard and it comes off in like little chunks.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth. This is 100% vegan.
All right.
And
that one has like a little tint to it as well, I believe.
Yes, it has a pink blush finish.
Nice.
And it's apparently good for sensitive skin.
Oh, good. I have very sensitive skin.
Has a nice smell to it.
I don't mind a touch of color on my lips every now and then. Sometimes they get washed out after being inside all winter long.
Do you want to use them?
I do.
Okay. And this is the all-natural body massage serum, which actually has a lot of other uses other than just massage. So it's a moisturizer.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, it smells really good.
It does.
It's said to nourish skin, boost mood, reduce stress, sharpen memory, and it can even reduce the appearance of scars.
Oh, wow.
I really like the look of the products. Like the packaging is really simple. I love the boldness of the black that is used as the background with the beautiful logo on top of that.
It does stand out from other products for sure on the shelf.
Really eye-catching. And she also provides display stands for you to use in the store for when you're merchandising this. So that's a nice touch if you're putting this in your wellness aisle or putting it up at the register. It comes with a branded display.
They're all like a really affordable price too as well. Some of these more natural products can get a little up there, but I could easily afford these to add to my collection.
Yeah, it's so easy to justify not buying an all-natural product when you're on a budget. So that's really awesome that she's managed to make these accessible to all budgets.
I agree. All right.
Thanks, Green Girl, for the samples.
Yeah, thanks, Green Girl. And these are now available on Forager.